For months, rumors have been building around Google's next flagship smartphone, and now the company has finally revealed one of its biggest surprises. The Pixel 11 series is officially on the way, and for the first time, Google has given everyone a real look at the mysterious feature called Pixel Glow. This new feature has been surrounded by leaks and speculation, but the latest teaser has finally answered one of the biggest questions. At the same time, it has also sparked a brand new debate among smartphone fans. Google has confirmed that the Pixel 11 series will be officially unveiled during the Made by Google event on August 12th. Along with the announcement, the company released a short teaser that gives a close-up look at the upcoming Pixel 11 Pro. One of the first things that stands out is the beautiful gold finish, which gives the phone a premium and elegant appearance. While the design looks familiar, it is the glowing light on the back that has grabbed everyone's attention. For months, many people believed Pixel Glow would be a long LED strip running across the camera bar. That idea came from several leaked renders and early reports. But Google's official teaser has now revealed something completely different. Instead of stretching across the camera module, Pixel Glow is built directly into the flashlight area. In the teaser animation, the light smoothly changes between different colors, almost like the loading animation seen on a computer. It creates a unique visual effect that immediately makes the phone stand out from other flagship devices. This is the first time Google has officially shown Pixel Glow in action instead of leaving fans to rely on leaks. It also confirms that earlier reports about the feature being located inside the flash module were accurate. Although the animation is short, it gives a good idea of how Google plans to use lighting as part of the Pixel experience. Another interesting detail is that Google also teased Gemini Intelligence during the event announcement. While the company has not explained exactly what new AI features are coming, it is clear that artificial intelligence will play a major role in the Pixel 11 launch. More details are expected during the official presentation next month. There are also rumors that Pixel Glow may become more than just a decorative light. Previous leaks suggested it could display up to 8 different colors depending on notifications, or even show different colors for specific contacts. Imagine knowing who is calling or messaging without even touching the phone. However, Google has not confirmed any of these features yet, so they remain rumors until the official launch. Some reports also suggest Pixel Glow could work with digital well-being features. For example, the light may allow users to quickly check important alerts while the phone is lying face down, reducing the need to constantly unlock the device. If this turns out to be true, the feature could be both stylish and practical. But will Pixel Glow convince Samsung or Apple users to switch? That remains a big question. Galaxy and iPhone owners already enjoy powerful cameras, fast processors, and excellent displays. A colorful light on the back may not be enough to change their minds. Still, Google's biggest goal may not be to beat competitors on specifications alone. Instead, Pixel Glow adds personality to the phone and gives it an identity that stands out in a crowded smartphone market. People have compared it to Nothing's Glyph interface, which also uses lights on the back of the phone. However, Google's implementation appears to be much simpler and more subtle. Whether that approach becomes a useful feature or simply a fun visual effect will only become clear after the official launch. For now, Google has confirmed 3 important things. The next flagship is officially called the Pixel 11. The Pixel 11 Pro will come in a stunning gold color, and Pixel Glow is built into the flash area instead of the camera bar. Everything else, including advanced lighting features, will remain a mystery until August 12th. The countdown has officially begun, and all eyes are now on Google's biggest hardware event of the year. If Pixel Glow delivers useful features alongside great hardware and powerful AI, the Pixel 11 series could become one of Google's most exciting smartphone launches yet. What do you think about Pixel Glow? Is it an exciting new feature or just another gimmick? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more latest tech news and smartphone updates.